So I thought I'd show you guys what I picked up a couple of weekends ago at the car boot sale. Firstly, I'm happy to pick up this set of hole cutters. It's a full set, both sized arbors. If you know Starrett, good make. As well as them, from the same guy, picked up a few spare cutters and a few more spare arbors. I picked up a nice woodworker's square, made in England, Sheffield, by Footprint. Checked it, very square, well made. Love these old things. Picked up a couple of the bill hooks, don't need any more in my collection. That one's made by Spear and Jackson. Almost perfect, almost ready to be used. A couple of soldering irons. Antex Precision, made in England. Nice small tip on it. That works. Old plug. This big old thing, I don't know. Two amp, 60 watts, 225 to 250 volts. They both work. And that's a soldering iron. Picked up another nice axe. Always need another axe. This one's made by Gilpin, British made, £2.5. Kent pattern. Not been abused. Yeah, I think we might even use the old handle. And to go with it, another axe head. Can't see anything on that one yet. £2.5. And because I don't have enough hammers, I don't know what you call that one, cross pane. Don't even know how heavy that is. Hang on, I'll be right back. Yeah, it's a £5 head. Probably don't need another one, but you know, probably can't have enough hammers. Inch-and-a-half wood chisel. Probably clean up quite well. Scout Crafter's Fault. Only the one key for each. But, yeah. Says foreign, don't know, maybe it was German. Missing the little ones at the top, I guess. Okay. Nice little fine waterstone. Couple of perfect pattern screwdrivers. Yeah, can't see anything on there either. Couple of scrapers, you guys all know what these are. Made in the USA. needs a clean up. That one I believe is an oven. That one I believe is for scraping an oven hob. Yeah. Nice little Stanley craft knife, made in England. Little pair of Stilsons. Number 8, don't know. No, I can't see who that's made by. Anyway, in nice condition. And not last but not least, little King Dick spanner. I think you guys call them bicycle spanners. Yeah, just needs a good clean up. Nice, smooth condition. That's everything I got a week and a half ago. Not everything. One more thing. I was really pleased to find these Nipex. How great are they? 6-inch. They're missing the tiny button that goes on there. Going to clean up well, I think. I need to make a button somehow. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Hope it was interesting. And yeah, we'll see where these go.